Hello, good morning children. Your Jasveer Kaur ma'am is here to teach you political science, chapter number 5, that is challenges and restoration to the Congress system in India. I hope so that yesterday's video you have seen and understood the main incident which happened during these years. It was very crucial time period, it was very important time period that Congress party has to face different type of challenges and to once again bring it on in front of the citizen, in front of the people of India as a more democratic, more republican, more nearer to the citizen political party. As it is the aim and objective of each and every political party, the party which would be more nearer to the citizens ultimately be the more successful party of that country. It may be either on local level, on state level and national level. Everywhere political parties organization role is very, very important. As yesterday we discussed about this political party, Congress party. I told you it is the oldest political party of India. Even before independence, all the sessions, all the things are held on the name of Congress session, Congress meetings, Congress resolutions like this, right? So its first session was held in 1855 in Bombay. What was from there? That was a resolution was passed before independence, right? That you have studied in your previous classes. Resolution, objective resolution was passed, and one complete independence. India, that resolution was passed on river Ravi, right? Karachi session, Lahore session. All these things play very, very important role. Give some significant landmark in the history of the working of this Congress system. Dear students, here we have to be very indifferent regarding other type of politics. Right? We have to see the actual functioning, and you have to learn how political party try to be good, try to be bad, and so that you may be able to draw some points, able to learn something from these critical views. And don't please clean your total arguments whatsoever already you have in your mind. Right? This party is good, that party is bad. Now you see works of the party. Right? And then I will make one debate like question with you. Then we will do that according to the provisions, what is done, what is not done. Then I will give you the opportunity to speak. But that is our very, very internal. We cannot say publicly anything to anyone. Being a student, right? We have to take care, just read the things what history tells us about. And yesterday we talked about there were challenges to the Congress system about its succession. First, there was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Prime Minister, interim Prime Minister and first Prime Minister of India. Then just after his death in 1964, Shastri Ji, Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji was appointed as Prime Minister over there, right? But after that, now next elections are there. This is one challenge. Shastri Ji to whom this power is to be transferred. Who would be the coming leader of this Congress party? Because earlier it was led by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru since the beginning, even before independence. Now he is not here. He has died, sorry to say. And now two leaders were there. Just after Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji ke just baad, two leaders were there in the ground, in the contest of the election. One was Morarji Desai and second was Mrs. Indira Gandhi. You know that Mrs. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the president of Congress party at that time. And if we talk about Morarji Desai, he was also belonged to that party only, and CM of Bombay Presidency cities, right? Bombay provincial state at that time. And almost, if we compare both the candidates, one side Mrs. Indira Gandhi, one side Mr. Morarji Desai, both were equally deserving the seat. Now it was a big challenge for the Congress leaders, whom do they have to give that seat of Prime Minister during this time period. Just after 2 years, right? Just after 2 years, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री के 2 साल बाद में ही इनको ये second time big challenge to whom is to give the total controlship, total entrepreneurship of the political party to run the country. You know, country is newly independent, many things are to be done, many things are to be adjusted, many different challenges. I would like to say there are sub-challenges also regarding this matter. Now, Morarji Desai being the CM of Bombay Presidency city, and Indira Gandhi Shrimati ji was the president of Congress, being the daughter of that. But now, senior leaders of Congress, some other leaders, right? They wanted somewhat back to Indira Gandhi. They don't want, it would be something like hereditary system या dynastic succession के पहले father prime minister थे, now his daughter is prime minister. I think this idea was in their mind, and they want to keep somewhat back. And any other thing can be in their mind that we are also senior leaders of why we are giving this seat to Mrs. Indira Gandhi. We can take it, or we can make Prime Minister, appoint Prime Minister Morarji Desai and give our own willing done through that person. Maybe any reason, कुछ भी हो सकता है, it is politics, right? तो इन सब कारणों के कारण उनको ये लग रहा था कि इस बार हम इंदिरा गांधी को प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं बनने देंगे. सीनियर लीडर्स दैट आई टोल्ड यू दैट दे वर नोन एज सिंडिकेट्स वर्सेस ओल्ड ORS. आई टोल्ड यू yesterday ना, कांग्रेस आर, कांग्रेस O, तो लाइक दैट. एंड इंदिरा गांधी वॉज प्राइम मिनिस्टर deserving or not deserving. Earlier this decision was taken कि Morarji Desai would be the coming Prime Minister of India from Congress party. But this decision was not unanimously. Everybody didn't accepted this decision. They wanted that election should be contested accordingly. Whosoever would be the winner, mean to say get majority, would be the Prime Minister of coming India. Then one more incident took place. Secretly their ballot system, voting system was held within this MPs. There something happened, just vice versa. There Mrs. Indira Gandhi was able to defeat Morarji Desai, that secret ballot. And now you know the theme, right? So earlier they took this decision unanimously that Morarji Desai would be the Prime Minister. Then it was not adopted by everyone. To avoid this confusion, they got contested elections, and that secret election, through these secret elections, Mrs. Indira Gandhi defeated Morarji Desai. And in this way, this is very, we can say, this is time period of transformation of power. Transformation of power of Prime Minister took place very fantastically, very interestingly. Now the citizen of the country were also very interested in such type of activities. कि पहले न्यूज़ में ये आ रहा था, ये आ रहा, ये हो रहा, वो हो रहा है. They are getting excited to know who would be the coming PM of India from Congress, within Congress. अगर तो opposition हो तो that is definitely and already decided कि जीत गए, ये जीत गया तो इसका ये लीडर होगा, X party जीत गई तो इसका ये लीडर होगा. But within the party, what is going on, that is very, very important, right? And people have got that thing also from there. In this way, Srimati Indira Gandhi, jo power was decided. Here one thing very interestingly shown on your book. Let me check the page number. Page number 85. Page number 85. Here is one cartoon. This cartoon has been shown that here it is the leaders. They are trying to run the race, but Indira Gandhi already on the victory stand. Srimati Indira Gandhi already on the victory stand and getting first position. This is some opposition parties still preparing that they will contest the election against Indira Gandhi, but his own leaders, whatsoever you are watching, standing nearby the victory stand, they have declared Mrs. Indira Gandhi their Prime Minister. This is very, we can say, paradoxically incident within citizen and other parties, but within Congress it is also somewhat like that. So that is transformation of the power. First Nehru to Shastri, and Shastri ji too. There was competition between Morarji Desai and Mrs. Indira Gandhi, and Mrs. Indira Gandhi was the winner. She defeated Morarji Desai. I would like to share one knowledge with you. Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India since 1966 to 77. Then from 1980 to 84. Right? At that time I was also matured. During 84 I was in my 10th class and I have seen these news live. What is happening, what is telling. Right? So it is very known to me, it is very, I can say, familiar with me all these incidents, and I take keen interest to tell you with full confidence and with full things कि ऐसा हुआ था. I have seen something we have read in the book, that is we have to take as it is, but whatsoever we have seen with the eyes, visualize, heard debates, discussions, that we imbibe very practically within our life. In this way, this Indira Gandhi had been politically active very long. She had served as a minister under Lal Bahadur Shastri also for the short period, and senior Congress leaders may supported Indira Gandhi in the belief that they will assist her in the administration. Right? Syndicates, they thought, okay, अगर इंदिरा गांधी को प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनाना है तो we will support, keeping this idea in mind that she is younger now and we can mold her, give her opinion, gain her support in our favor, right? Because we are more in number, we are seniors, and Indira Gandhi is somewhat junior, we can say, and she will be depending upon us to do anything for her. So, but that also just happened vice versa. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था. Indira Gandhi was so brilliant, so active, so progressively taking part, so creativity, and with very, we can say, diplomatic way she arranged all the things and got familiarity with Indian politics, and long lasting time she was here in the power. And in between we'll read in next chapter incident of 1973 to 75, how did he manage with these political issues. Okay student, this much for today. Take care, keep on studying.